Have you ever noticed how, after turning 50, your body seems to slow down? Fatigue lingers longer, joints ache more, belly fat refuses to budge, and sleep just doesn't feel restorative. What if I told you that committing to just a daily walk could start reversing these changes in ways you might never expect? Within the first 24 hours, your body begins responding. By the end of a week, you'll notice improvements in energy, mobility, and mental clarity. Over time, your heart, brain, and joints grow stronger. Let's understand exactly what happens inside your body when you start walking daily after 50. When we talk about walking after 50, it's not about pushing yourself to extremes. Brisk walking simply means moving at a pace that gets your heart rate up, but doesn't strain your body. Fast enough that you can talk comfortably, but not sing. A good rule of thumb is around 20 minutes a day, enough to activate your muscles and circulation without overloading your joints. You don't need intense workouts, heavy weights, or running marathons. Walking is gentle, low impact, and completely safe, even if your knees or hips feel sensitive. By understanding this simple approach, you can remove fear, gain confidence, and start a habit that supports your health without stress or injury. Even after your very first walk, your body starts responding in ways you might not expect. Within hours, you may notice your mood lifting, a sense of lightness replacing the tension you carried all day. Stress begins to ease as endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals, flow through your system. Circulation improves, delivering fresh oxygen to muscles and organs, and even a subtle boost of energy nudges you to move more freely. Stiffness in your joints and muscles softens, making simple movements feel easier. It's remarkable how quickly the body can respond when given gentle, consistent activity. These are not just temporary feelings. They are the first signs of real physiological change. And while the first day is encouraging, the transformations that begin by the third day are even more fascinating, laying the foundation for energy, clarity, and resilience that grow stronger with every step you take. By the second and third day of walking, your body begins showing changes that go beyond mood and energy. You may notice your digestion feels lighter, bloating diminishes, and trips to the bathroom become more regular. Those familiar with slow metabolism or digestive sluggishness after 50 will appreciate how much smoother daily life feels. Fatigue starts to lift, and a subtle but noticeable increase in stamina makes simple tasks feel less taxing. These shifts happen because walking gently stimulates gut motility, enhances blood circulation, and activates your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses in your cells that generate energy. Your body is quietly adapting, becoming more efficient, and rewarding you with vitality that you can feel. These early improvements reinforce that your efforts are already making a difference. And while digestion and energy are changing, by day 4, even deeper transformations begin inside your heart and blood vessels, preparing your body for lasting health. By the 4th and 5th day, walking begins to influence some of the most critical aspects of your health. For anyone over 50, concerns about blood pressure, blood sugar, and heart function are very real. And here, gentle daily movement makes a tangible difference. Nitric oxide is released in your blood vessels, helping them relax and improve circulation, while insulin receptor activity increases, supporting better blood sugar control. These changes may feel subtle at first, but they are powerful defenses against hypertension, diabetes, and heart disease. Your body is quietly recalibrating, strengthening systems that protect you from long-term risks, and proving that small, consistent actions have outsized effects. And while your heart and metabolism are adjusting, the most noticeable transformation happens in your sleep by day 5, setting the stage for deeper rest, improved energy, and a more balanced daily rhythm. By the 6th and 7th day, the changes from your daily walks become more visible and tangible. You may find that your sleep deepens, waking up feeling refreshed and alert. Belly fat that once seemed stubborn begins to soften. Balance improves, and joints feel less stiff, making movement feel easier and more natural. Mentally, clarity sharpens. focus strengthens, and a quiet confidence begins to take root. These transformations happen because melatonin secretion improves, fat metabolism is activated, inflammation reduces, and neuroplasticity in the brain reinforces positive habits. For anyone over 50, this is especially powerful. Muscle loss and aging effects naturally accelerate after midlife, but walking gently counteracts them, keeping the body resilient and youthful. And while these improvements are already encouraging, the real magic begins when you maintain this habit beyond 1 week, creating a foundation for lifelong vitality and well-being. When walking becomes a consistent part of your life beyond the first week, the benefits deepen and extend far into the future. Weeks and months of daily activity strengthen your heart, improve bone density, reduce joint pain, and enhance balance, lowering the risk of falls and injuries. Blood flow to the brain improves, supporting memory, focus, and even reducing the risk of dementia. Muscles are preserved, posture improves, and your overall vitality increases. Walking at this stage becomes more than exercise. It is a form of anti-aging medicine, quietly protecting your body and mind. Every step is an investment in a longer, healthier life, helping you feel younger, sharper, and more resilient with each passing day. Now is the perfect moment to take that first step. Begin your daily walk today. Notice the small changes each day, and celebrate them as proof of your body's remarkable ability to adapt and heal. Join a 7-day walking challenge. Share your experiences in the comments, and inspire others to start their journey. Walking is free, simple, and incredibly powerful, yet too often overlooked. Remember, your body after 50 is not weak. It is waiting to be activated, ready to reward every step with renewed energy, health, and vitality. For more practical, science-backed health advice, subscribe to this channel.